Hi, welcome to Cisco Firepower Threat Defense class, the only course you will need in order to get started with Cisco Firepower Threat Defense Firewall. I am a security enthusiast and I have been covering different roles in the security arena for quite some time now. I have taken all my skills and knowledge and imported it into this course. I will be taking you in this journey, guide you, help you, so that you can get started right away in the right direction with Cisco Firepower Threat Defense firewalls. Here's the thing, I created this course because I have been in your shoes. There's so much information out there on the internet, so many courses, tutorials, videos to follow or books, but there's never a guide that can teach you what you need to learn, how you need to learn it, and most important, what is actually relevant. Most courses are either outdated and teaching you less valuable skills, or the information is not presented in a proper, straightforward approach so that it's easy for you to understand. We will start with building the course Lab Topology. You will be provided all the necessary details so that you can practice on your own PC every single topic. I will be covering both GNS3 lab setup, how to deploy the Firepower Management Center and Firepower Threat Defense firewall machines, how to connect all the devices, everything. And also the enterprise option, deploy the lab setup in VMware ESXi. In the first part of the course, we will be covering the two management solutions for FTD firewalls, Cisco Firepower Device Manager or FDM, the on-box management solution, and Cisco Firepower Management Center, the enterprise large-scale management solution. You will learn how to run the initial configuration, configure interfaces and default routing through Firepower Device Manager. The rest of the course will be based on the enterprise management solution, Cisco Firepower Management Center or the FMC. We will connect to the FMC administration page. We will register the Cisco FTD firewall to the FMC, and then we will configure FTD data interfaces, routing, and deploy all configuration changes to the FTD firewall. In the next section of the course, you will learn how to connect the LAN users to Internet. We will be configuring the NAT policy in the FMC and push it on the firewall through access control policy deployment. The largest amount of your time we'll be focusing on different policies that you can implement on Cisco Firepower Threat Defense firewall. We will start configuring the URL filtering policies. You will create custom rules to block gambling content. Also, you will learn how to block social media content and how to create an exception to permit Facebook, for example. Next, we will configure the SSL policy. We will create the self-signed certificate for the FTD, create the SSL policy, associate it with the access control policy, and deploy the configuration. File and malware policy is an absolutely hot topic, so we will be covering this next. You will learn how to create rules for attachments coming from outside the LAN, rules to block PDF file transfers, and rules for attachments leaving the organization as a data loss prevention mechanism. Configuring the intrusion policy is next on our list. You will learn in this section how to protect your web server, your web DMZ server as an example, and deploy the intrusion policy for corporate LAN users protection. The last section of the course will be covering platform settings configuration. You will learn how to configure banner settings, SSH settings, SMTP server and syslog server settings. In this course, you are going to learn real skills that will help you get started right away with Cisco Firepower Threat Defense firewalls. There isn't a course on the Udemy platform that is as easy to follow and provides you the right information and guides you in the right direction so that you can have the right start in the Cisco FTD firewall world. And I guarantee you, I will help you get there. So, the best time to start? Well, that was yesterday. The next best time to start is today. Check out some of the preview videos and the course description for more details to see if this course is for you. I'll see you on the inside. Bye bye.